Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to make a Halloween wreath for you today, but I'm actually going to do it, I'm going to have to do it in two parts because I've only brought half my stuff down to work. So I'm Sally Jack's TV Mum. It's great to have your company. Please give us a push of that subscribe button. It'd be lovely to have you on board. Oh, I would love it so much. And don't forget to hit that bell notification as well, and that will tell you every time I've uploaded. So it's a really quick and really quite easy one today, but like I said, I'll be doing half down here in Peterborough where I work, and then half back in Burnley because I left my glue gun and the skulls that I need to put on it, but you'll see it all in one vlog, but I'm going to be doing it in two parts if that makes sense. So I'm going to start you off and just show you exactly what I've bought and what I've got down here so far. So I have a ring that I bought from Hobbycraft, and it's like a copper. I've also bought 3 meters of netting, and it's doubled over. So what I've done is I've kept the double over and then I've cut it in half. So if I just spread this, you can see it's completely, oh, part of it hasn't cut in half. Well, you can see here it's cut in half here. So now I've got 2 layers either side. So that's what I'm going to use to twist around with pipe cleaners that I've also got from Hobbycraft. These are the chenille stems. There's 100 in a pack. I'm going to cut round with those. These you can probably cut into halves or even into quarters or even into a third. So you've even got more chenille stems to go at, but I'll show you as I'm going through. So here is the start of my Halloween wreath. So take your first bit of netting, bunch it up slightly just at the end as you can see there, and put the chenille pipe cleaner around it. I cut the pipe cleaners into half. I found this was the best. And then what I did then is I take another couple of inches and I bunch it up like you can see now, and then I tie the chenille stem around again. And that's all you do. You just repeat the process. The copper ring is actually split into quarters, as you can see. Can you see where there's a bar going across, linking the 2 rings together? So what I did was 6 bunches in each quarter on the inner, and I just went round there, so bunched it right up, because obviously you don't want to see the copper wiring through, and netting shows through, doesn't it, because it's got little holes. So I just did that all the way around. Very, very simple technique. And I actually did a Christmas tree on a tomato cage last year with this. I'll leave the link in the description below, because this is not just for Halloween. You could be using red netting here and doing something for Christmas with it, or green netting or gold netting, whatever you want to do. It's a real simple technique, but creates something very effective and very big and very elaborate, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to add other things to it as the video goes on, as the vlog goes on, to finish with my Halloween wreath. So I'm now back home and I'll need to finish the rest of the wreath off. So I have some skulls. They came in a bag like this and they're from Morrison's. So what I did is I've taken a skull like so and then I've pierced 2 holes in the back, as you can see here. And I just did that with scissors by going in like that and going round and round and round. So I've got 2 holes either side. Then I've taken some wire. Unfortunately, I don't have any really strong wire, so I've gone over 5 times. So I've done 5 lots, and then I've twisted it together, twisted it through, put it through the hole, and then twisted it either side. And I'm going to sit that in there, and then actually, so in fact, if I hook it through here like so, because this is the better way, because actually this is a little bit smaller than I wanted. If I find a bigger one, I would prefer to put that on. So if I tip it upside down, I can now stick this to the actual copper wreath itself. See what I'm doing? I still don't think it's going to be stiff enough, but it will do for now. If I find something a little bit better, then I will use that, and obviously I want a slightly bigger skull as well. Oh, what did I do that for? That needs to go the other way. Silly me. Twist, and then I will snap off the bits that I need to snap off. I will just cut those off, but for the time being I'm just going to leave those round there. I will sort all that out because I need to snip all of the chenille as well. So we'll come back to the middle. And then I also bought from Morrison's some little skulls. Bought some little tiny ones, and it came as a pack of 6. So I thought I would put these around the outside. I thought that would look really effective. I think that looks good there. So now I'm going to take my glue gun, my trusty glue gun. I really wanted my other one because it's a little bit better, but now I'm going to stick these in. And that is the end of my Halloween wreath. So very simple, very quick, very easy. As you can see, the actual tulle bit, which makes the majority of it, is so quick and easy to do. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give us your thumbs up, and press that bell notification, then we'll notify you every time there's a new vlog up. I'm going to go and hang this on the door. I'm going to put it on the front door, but I'm going to take a picture of it inside because it's dark tonight now. But I'm really chuffed with it. I hope you are too. If you have a go at it, then please let me know. I would love to know, and I'll see you later. Lots of love. Bye.